Hey Google, turn on studio light.
Alright, turning on the studio light.
What's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we'll be having another parcel na galing kay Nico Toys. Yan. He's selling pre-love items and pre-owned items. If you're into buying pre-love items, just follow his page and check his post for his items for sale. Okay, so yung Nico Toys, marami doon na figures ako nakita, but itong nabili natin galing din sa kanya tong diecast na to. And what we have here, these are excavators na hulaan nyo guys. Ang colorway nung isa is kulay orange, yan, which is obviously madaling matandaan ko anong brand no guys. And yung isa is a combination of, yung colorway is combination of white and red. Yan, red yung arm niya. Okay, do you have an idea in mind? Okay, by the way, itong mga nakuha natin pre-love items lang to guys. I am aware kung ano condition ng toy na to. May mga missing part na siya, but yeah, pre-love items lang to, declared as a pre-love item. Okay, so ayun, as I've said earlier, mga excavator to guys, na which is very hard to find or rarely hard to find, especially yung red and white na yan. Okay, may idea na ba kayo guys kung ano yung red and white na yan? Okay, so excited na rin ako. Let's unbox this. And may nakakuha pala ako sa kanya mga minis na figures. Siguro tatlo yung nakuha nating mini figures sa kanya. And hindi lang ako aware kung anong scales nun. Makikita na lang natin later on. Okay, so unbox na natin to guys. Yung set. Okay, this one. Dalawa to eh. Okay, may idea na ba kayo kung ano yung pinakamadaling hulaan, yung orange? Yan. Siyempre, Japan brand, no? Alam nyo na yun. Pero kung hindi nyo pa rin alam, well, proceed to this video. Yeah, yung mga scale nito is mga 1:50 to guys. Na ang brand is Ertil o ERTL. Yan. Ito yung kulay orange guys. Isa siyang Hitachi brand. Yan. Okay. Very secure na may parcel na sir. Naka clean wrap pa. Yan. Kitang-kita na yung ano. So, dito muna tayo sa kulay orange na to. This is Saxis 450LC na diecast excavator from Hitachi. Na ang brand niya is Ertil na US release. Okay, so ang missing part dito is yung track link niya, which is metal track link. Maghahanap na lang tayo ng metal track link nito guys. But I doubt kung makakita tayo. Siguro yung mga 3D printed lang na plastic na track link. Yun, makakita tayo nun sa Shopee saka sa Lazada. Ayan, ito siya. Okay guys, ito siya. This is Hitachi na Saxis 450LC as indicated dun sa ano niya, sa markings niya. And this is made by Ertil. US release siya guys pag Ertil, hindi siya Japan release. Okay, so straightforward tayo. Yung nakikita niyo orange all the way there, the arm, that is diecast metal. Medyo may kabigatan tong ano na to, excavator na to. Meron siya mga plastic details dito which is mga hydraulic hoses niya supposedly. Okay? Ang plastic dito is itong orange na to sa outer ng hydraulic cylinder. Yan. Pero yung nasa loob is diecast metal. Yan. Ito yung head niya. The cabin is plastic. Clear acrylic yung cabin niya. Medyo may pagka-yellowish na siya kasi medyo vintage na to guys. And this is one of the most for me, hard to find. Yan. Itong Saxis na ganito na model, ito lang yata yung merong catwalk, which is ito. Yung platform na to, dito dumadaan yung mga tao eh. Okay, so may missing part to dito na ladder. Yun yung unang nakita nating missing part, aside from dun sa aware tayo na track link. Metal track link to, just like in the picture. Okay, so ayan yung details nyo sa likod. This is diecast metal. Etong nasa likod niya, hindi to plastic guys. Madaling ma-distinguish to by this time. Ang ganda ng details sa loob, yung mga paint job niya. And may, ano to merong gimmick to, nabubuksan tong engine room niya. Yan yung engine details niya. Okay, so yan siya. So I'm going to make this video a quick review as possible kasi dalawa to para hindi maba yung video, no? Okay, so dyan muna siya. And the other one, alam nyo na ba yun guys, yung anong kulay nung colorway na sinasabi ko sa inyo? Ito talaga ang mostly mahirap hanapin talaga o rare to find na to. Kaya kahit maraming missing items to, talagang I urge na kunin talaga itong ano to, yung diecast na to. Do you have in mind guys? Ito yung mga figures na nakuha natin. So if wala pa rin yung idea, stay on this video para malaman nyo kung ano yung colorway na to. White and red. Ito siya. Ayan. Ngayon alam nyo na kung ano yung colorway na sinasabi ko na to. Okay. So open na natin. Yun o. Laki ng markings niya. Kaya mahirap talaga hanapin to guys. And nakita lang natin to kay Nikki Toys. Yan. Legit seller yan guys. Nakita mo yung difference nung ano nila, no? Nung size nung regular excavator sa super heavy excavator, no? Okay, so ito siya, Link Belt yan guys, yung brand niya. Medyo mahirap hanapin talaga to kasi this is a US brand na manufacturer, yung Link Belt. Okay, so this is a crawler excavator na medium bucket lang yung ano niya, bucket niya. Okay, straightforward. Yung nakikita niyong red dun sa arm, that is diecast metal then of course. Plastic lang sa kanya itong outer ng sa hydraulic cylinder. Yan, ito yung head niya, yung cabin niya. I think this is diecast metal na hindi siya plastic. Kasi iba yung tunog niya guys eh, no? Saka itong likod niya, this is diecast metal. Yan. Ang plastic, pero pa hindi. Hindi to plastic. Diecast metal din to. Medyo may kabigatan din talaga siya eh. Okay, so yan yung details niya. Ang model pala nito is 210 LX na link belt. Yan, link belt to. So markings nito sa ilalim, this is Ertil brand na made in China. Yan. US release to guys. Okay, while this one, yung Hitachi, same brand, Ertil. Yan, made in China. Hitachi authorized product. O, ito yung official release ng Hitachi company. Yan. Okay, let's check the weight. Unahin natin to. Pinakamabigat talaga tong Hitachi na to guys eh. Yan. So, ang weight na to, 485 grams guys. Kalahating kilo almost. While itong isa, tong link belt, this is 253. Yeah, mas magaan siya ng konti. Mas maliit siya ng konti. Pero yung scaling nila, lahat itong dalawa na to, this is 1:50. Yan, lahat sila 1:50. Okay, for the size comparison, dagdag natin si Komatsu. Yan, na 1:50 rin. Yan. Ayan, magkaka-same size siya. Siyempre, yung excavator, iba-ibang size nun. Although 1:50 sila pare-parehas, no? Pero depend dun sa model. Like this one, higher scale model na to yung, or higher model tong Saxis 450. Meron itong mga Saxis na 210, ganun 210. Kaya mining, ano yun eh, excavator. Malalaki yun. While this one, this is 210. This is a regular excavator. Yan, just like the Komatsu 210. Yan, mabababang model. Itong PC200, meron itong PC450. Yan. Na, which is more heavier or more heavy duty na mga excavator. Okay, so ayan siya. Yan sila guys. If you like more this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. So I'll see you for the upcoming video and stay tuned and goodbye.